Hello, this is Kevin Caputo. I'm doing a quick video on showing the account activity features in this application. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on my account records and go to my account records and pick one of my accounts that I want to create some activity. So I'm going to choose the Ottawa International Airport. And over here, under the details section, I can see all the details associated with the account. And then under the activity tab here, I can specify I want to create an account update. So by clicking on there, I can put up an update saying the resurfacing of the airport project is planned for summer of 2020, phase 1. And here I can specify who I spoke to. It was Keith. And by default, I'm putting today's date as the date of this update. I can also come over here and I can do a trip report. I'll just specify I met with them yesterday. Who did I meet with? Keith. And there's my trip report. I can create a new task here. So for example, I want to send football tickets to Keith. And it's for next week, so I want to make sure I send it to him by the end of next week, or the end of this week, I should say. And I'm going to send it to Keith, and I'll give it a higher priority so I don't forget to do it. This is the Montreal Ottawa game. Save that. If I was on a phone call, I can come over here, log a call, specify I was talking to Keith, and here I would type in the results of my meeting. A phone call, I should say. Phone call. Save that. I can put in an event here, so I can have a meeting with Keith. It was planned for Friday of this week at 3:30. In his office. Save that. So that, and then there's also the email feature here where I could select a template, an existing template, for example, new customer email. Actually, I should do this first. It should be, who do I want to send it to? So send it to Keith. And then I'll select the template. And here it pre-populates Keith's name in here. It puts in the company name, so on and so forth. And then I would click on send. So those are the activities that I just quickly created today on Salesforce. And if I wanted to go look at the history of all the different type of activities, I can come over here and I can see my account updates. I can see there's been multiple updates. I can read what the details are right here. The trip reports, there's been 3 trip reports. I can look at the tasks. I can see there's a number of open tasks, and I can come over here and I can close a task. Sorry. So if I refresh the screen, refresh there, and there you can see that this task has been completed and these ones are still open. If I want to look at the phone calls, I can see there was I left a voice message, and here's another phone call. I can also see any events, and I can also see any emails. Now the other thing I can do is go to the dashboard. So I created a activity account activity dashboard, and here I can specify, and I can see I'm just going to refresh it so it's up to date with all the transactions I just created. And I can see that there's been a lot of activities at a glance going on with the Ottawa International Airport. There's been some activities with the Hilton and the AT&T, and I can also see here all my accounts where there has been no account activity at all. And if I want to see the details behind this, I can either click on the report, or I can look at this summary of the activity. So I can see AT&T, Hilton, the different types of type of tasks going on. There's been three tasks. There has been an event, there was a phone call, there was a trip report, and here's the Ottawa International Airport. Or if I want to click on this report right here, I get a nice little report which summarizes it. It shows the details, who was assigned to, subject, when it was done, whether it's completed or not, any comments, and who was associated with. And then here's the Hilton stuff. There's been an email sent. There was a excuse me, account update. And then over here is the Ottawa International Airport activities. Anyways, I hope that helps in showing you the features of the account activities.